Is Vocalyz really a great free way to earn some extra cash online, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I have joined and tested this platform here, and in this Vocalyz review I will give you an inside look and I will also compare it to the hundreds of other free earning methods I have tested online, so you will know exactly what to expect and if it is the right option for you or not. So before I log in and show you around, let's just make it clear from the beginning who can even join Vocalyz. And this is a platform that is only available if you live in the UK or in the US. So if you do not live in one of these two countries here, then this platform is not for you. But then do not worry, I have many other videos with options to earn for free for all countries basically. And I will leave a link in the top corner here with a video about worldwide free earning methods. So you can check that out instead if you do not live in the US or the UK. But if you do, then let's now take an inside look so you can see how it really works and if it will be worth your time. So I am now logged in, and Vocalyz is first of all a paid service site where you can get paid to share your opinion, but it also offers other earning methods and I will go over all those in this video here. But let's start with the paid service, because in the menu here on the left you can see there is a survey options, and if you go there you have several different options. You can take the quick service, which will give you surveys that are a bit shorter. It doesn't take long to actually answer and you can earn up to 90 points for that. And you can also find these premium surveys here where you can earn quite a bit more if you're lucky to get one of the highest paying service sites here. But of course they will also then take longer. And later I will also go over exactly how much the points are actually worth, so you will know what these, for example, 90 points are actually worth in cash. But you can also just scroll down if you don't want to take any specific service, and just scroll down here and see the different available service right now. And you can see here that I would get 40 points for this one here, would take 15 minutes. They have make it quite clear exactly how much you will earn for the time here. But you can also see some of them take quite a long time. This one takes 35 minutes. So you also need to choose wisely, because getting 60 points for 35 minutes is actually not a lot. As mentioned, I will go over exactly how much the points are worth later, but for now let me just say that in general the value you get for the time here is not great for all surveys, but you can find some that are quite good. For example, the ones that usually takes here around 15 minutes, they get decent. And you can also see I have some here where I would get 10 points for just around 3 minutes. And the time estimate, it is an estimate. Sometimes it might take a little bit shorter, sometimes it might take a little bit longer, but it is a fairly good estimate. But as you can see, it offers quite a lot of paid service here. But as with any other service site, you will not qualify for all the service. Sometimes it can take a little bit of patience to find the paid service you actually qualify for here. So you just need to be aware of that, so you do it with the right expectations. But this is the main way of earning here. But Vocalyz also gives you a chance to actually earn more for taking the service here, and also to earn in other ways. So let's start by going over how you can potentially boost your survey earnings and then also the other earning methods it offers. So Vocalyz has different membership levels, and you have actually 5 levels here, and you unlock these levels here by just being active. You can see here they explain exactly what you need to do to level up. You just unlock the first level by completing some of your profile surveys here, and then the next levels here you unlock them by completing these streaks, meaning you complete at least one paid survey every day for 4 consecutive days, as they explain here. And once you've done that, you will unlock level 5 here. And what you get out of that is that once you hit level 5, as you can see, you will get 10% bonus on each survey. So that is a way to earn a little bit more for each survey you actually complete here. Just be aware that if you break the streak, then you will go back levels here. As you can see here, if you break the streak and you do not complete a survey in a certain day, for example, then you will drop down 1 level here. So if you take a few days where you actually do not complete a survey, also in case you, for example, can actually not qualify for a survey in a given day, then you will move back, and you can potentially move all the way back. So then you would have to again take surveys for several days in a row before you can reach the bonus level again. So it's not a super great bonus system in my opinion compared to what I have seen on other service sites, but at least it has a bonus system. Not all service sites have that. You just need to be aware of this with the streak, because if you break it, then you will move back levels. So on Vocalyz, you can also sometimes earn by playing games. They have a section here in the menu called games. And right now, as of recording this video here, I only have one that's called Survey Hero here that I can play. And some of the games will reward you with points and others will not. So you can just go here and try to play them and they will explain exactly what you do. I do not want to go into like a tutorial about this exact game and to sit here and force you to actually watch me play the game, but they will explain everything here. But it will not be something that will give you a lot of points, and as also mentioned, sometimes you will not earn at all. So that's just something you need to be aware of. It can be a fun way to potentially earn a little bit extra, but it is mostly just for entertainment purposes. So the last way you can potentially earn on Vocalyz is to use this daily wheel here. You just go here and press to play, and you can see then I can spin to win. So I just press play now here. And then I just had to actually just confirm my email address again there. So then you are here now, and then you can spin to see if you win anything. And you can see today I actually did not win anything, but that's just how it is. Sometimes you might win, sometimes you might not win. Usually, in most cases, you will not win, and sometimes it will just be very few points, and other times you can potentially win a reward that actually is quite nice. It doesn't take long. It's free to participate. You can do this once per day. So if you use Vocalyz anyways, then I would suggest that you also make sure to use this daily wheel here to get a chance to win a few extra points here and there. But what you of course need to know before even deciding if you want to join is to know how much the points are worth and also how you can get your earnings out. So let's go over that now. So I have now jumped to the reward section, and here you can see the current payout methods. You can get paid in cash via PayPal, you can donate to charities, or you can get paid in Amazon gift cards. So the payout methods are actually quite decent. And here you can see that I would need 510 points to get paid via PayPal. For the charity donations or for Amazon gift cards, I would only need 500 points. But then if you click here, you can see a little bit more about how much they are worth. So 510 points are worth $5. And this is important to know because this also tells you that 100 points are actually worth $1. So if you get, for example, 60 points for a survey, you can also kind of calculate that that means you would get 60 cents for that survey. And as I showed, I actually, for example, had a survey that took 35 minutes to complete where I would only get 60 points, which means that is a very low value for your time actually. However, there were also some surveys where I would get 10 points for just taking a 3-minute survey, and that means I would get 10 cents for just 3 minutes, which is definitely quite a nice time to money ratio. So you just really need to choose wisely when you choose the service here, because not all of them gives great value for sure. But overall, I do like the payout methods here. They have a fairly low payout threshold of $5, and you can get paid in cash or Amazon gift cards, which is basically as good as cash if you ever shop on Amazon. So as you can see, Vocalyz is a legit paid service site. You can get paid to share your opinion here and also earn a bit by spinning the wheel and sometimes also playing small games. I think it is a fairly user-friendly website here, and it is also mobile optimized, so you can use it on your phone if you want to. However, you just really have to choose carefully when you choose the service, because some of the service give really poor value for your time compared to what you can get for surveys of the same length on many other service sites. But then again, also some service give a decent reward here. You just need to really choose wisely so you optimize your time and then only take the service here that are worth your time, and then maybe also combine it with other paid service sites that give a better value for your time in some cases. And I will leave a link below here to more information about Vocalyz and also to a list of my top recommended service sites that in my experience pay quite decently and pay in some cases, in many cases actually a better rate for your time. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button and Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid surveys, get paid to sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.